What up, Cut Up Gang? It's your man's AB Cutting Up, back with another video. I know I have been MIA for the last about month or so. I had a lot going on. But before we get into that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for this new video. So let me give y'all the rundown real quick. Hold on. Let me give y'all the rundown. I know it's been about a month since my last video I dropped. I done had a lot going on. Unfortunately, I was in a car accident about a month ago. I wasn't driving. I was actually in the rear of my homeboy truck, and he was on my way to drop me off, and we got hit by a drunk driver running a red light. It's terrible. So I've been going through that, going through physical therapy and whatnot with that and stuff. So that's one reason why I've been MIA, you know what I'm saying? So today is my first time really getting out. About to hit this car show, the East vs West show. It ain't been in a couple years, low-key. So about to hit this East vs West show. Got the money out. I ain't had nobody to drive the Vic today, unfortunately. So about to hit this freeway. It's about a 30-minute drive from where I'm located at. It's actually in Inkster. If y'all keep it up with my channel, y'all see I went out to Inkster for an Inktown show not too long ago. So I'm headed there. It's actually in the same spot. It's actually ran by my man's KD. So we about to head out there to Inktown, and hopefully it's a good day. Hopefully I pull out some hardware. Hopefully there's some different cars out there so I can give y'all different stuff and everything. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks in advance for the prayers and thoughts and well wishes and everything. So let's get to it.
Quick, asking when I'm free, I'm on the priceless. I ain't really rocking with you, I ain't on that
Inkster for the East vs West show.
Right in.
Let's get it. Fuck all that, man. Bring us some hardware.
I ain't really rocking
solo.
Ain't shit new to me. If you can fit it in your pocket, just stop it.
It's good, gang. We done made it out here to Inktown, to the East vs West show. So we done made it. And y'all can see it's raining, unfortunately, but we out here, so that's all that matters. You know, the show's still going on. You know what I'm saying? So let's check out some of the cars we got up here. Let's shout my mans out first right here, though. We got Cheddar. There we go.
Boy, Cheddar Main Films, Loud Crowd Exotics. You hear me? Yeah.
I see him out here. He's been raking up trophies all summer. If y'all seen him on my channel. Yeah. Yeah.
So everything that's outlined, even the tire lettering,
Yep.
is all reflective at night.
Reflective, okay.
Yeah, so at night when the lights hit it.
Gotcha, okay, yeah. Throw the rims on, man.
Because I was late. Maybe not for next week.
Bro, they take 20 minutes.
No, they do not.